What's happening, guys? My name is Taves, and I'm on the exchange with Days and Nites. Yeah, 100%. It's gonna be sexy. Just watch. Definitely a project, possibly more than one, you know. But we'll get to that in a couple weeks. Damn, this might sound corny as hell, but it's I feel like my music is like it's alive. You feel me? That's the best way I can put it. Like it has a soul in it. Sexy. I don't like the word fresh. Oh, fly. Authentic, I guess, yeah. Um, Damn, I just want to say that think about wanting to feel or look cool to like the girl that you like, you know. So maybe if she asks you how tall you are, you might add a couple inches, you know, just to, or like it's not cool. Don't lie. Definitely don't lie. But it happens. It's happening. So it's like that's pretty much what the song is about. So it's like all these things that I told you that I sort of wanted to become that I eventually became while I was with you. Like, didn't even make the love sweet. Was it not sweet? Did you not enjoy yourself? That type of thing. So why do we have to focus on all the dishonesty? Okay, so there's two. It could be when I really get in the zone and like everything that's happening around me is like I don't really care, I'm just having fun. Or it could be when like I'm singing, I'm performing one of my songs and like everybody's singing it back to me, you know. I don't know how to describe that feeling, but it's crazy. Recently, in the past couple of months, I've thrown a party like twice. I've had a show that was like a very small, intimate show, and I don't know, anytime I post on Snap, there's a lot of people that reply, and I always reply to people as much as I can, even on Twitter as well, so, or X. I wouldn't say it's the audience that's made me change anything about my music, you know. First of all, as the years passed, I become just better in general at singing and songwriting and things. So it gets more profound and more like deep. And this and style wise, I feel like what I listen to changed. So and my environment changed as well. So obviously it was gonna affect the style of music that I make. You know, no, I don't make music for because of what people want me to make. God forbid. First of all, shout out to Wale and Ghost, Tech and Ghost, beautiful human beings. It was very crazy for me, but I'm not. The story is long of how we made that song, but I'm so glad it came out the way it did, and I'm also really happy that, cause you know, people always say never meet your heroes, but like these guys live up to the standard. Like they're really, really cool guys, and it's crazy. So it made it even sweeter for me, like finding out that they were the way that they are. So, tough one, cause let me both say it. Intimate shows are harder to perform at than big shows because big shows is the crowd is like out there, is nobody's like right in your face looking at you in your soul unless you decide to look for them, but like and intimate shows is like, let's say maybe like 50 to 100 people, everybody in the small ass room is focused on you. So I feel like the big shows are like easier nerve wise, you feel me, like 'cause you won't be as nervous. Contrary to popular belief, I'm actually not in the gym. This is God-given muscle that I see. So, yeah. I mean, I've seen the occasional Taves you saw tweets now and again, but the truth of that thing is, which is very funny, it's like at the time, literally that whole tweet with the swearing and I solemnly swear to was me just literally swearing to be a normal person, and I promise I've not changed. I'm still normal. Like you don't have to. I didn't have to say that before people would know that that's just like what a normal person is supposed to do. You know. But certain circumstances have made people think otherwise, and stop that. I am really curious about what goes on in. You guys know Bad Boy, whatever. Yeah. I like his music. I don't know what's going on up here.